Cool Kids. Do you want to learn how to make this awesome finger painting drawing with finger paint? Wait, did I mention homemade finger paint? If you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned because we're going to show you how to make it in simple steps. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. The ingredients you need are 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of cold water, food coloring, and if you want your paint to be glossier, 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at The Cool Choice for more inspirational ideas. As you can see, our water was already boiling, but make sure to keep your stove on low. And you want to make sure cornstarch, water, and salt in one pot and mix till the consistency looks thick like this. I definitely just rhymed there. Did you guys catch that? We're really curious to know what you guys did over spring break, so make sure to comment that down below in the comment section. Now it's time to place our homemade paint in containers. You guys feel free to use any containers you want, but we decided to use these old egg cartons so that we can reuse them. Now this is where the real fun begins. Let's crack open these colors and see which one looks best. First color we have is this beautiful blue. Next in the running, we have pretty purple. We wanted our purple to be darker, so we did add another drop of food coloring. Wow, look at those amazing colors. We have ruby red and gorgeous green. Now let's draw a picture, but cool kids, can you guys guess what I'm drawing? Any hints yet, guys? Wow, look at those colors paint. They're so beautiful. And you guys can make these all on your own so easy. But have you guessed what I'm drawing yet? It's a beautiful flower. Did you guys guess it? If not, tell me what you guys guessed in the comments down below. Now this is a hard one. I bet you guys can't guess this. It's 4 colorful balloons, and I gotta add my signature. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you were able to make these easy homemade finger paints that are so much fun for the family and everyone around you. Make sure to share this video and to like and subscribe, but also make sure to play, live, and eat well.